In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mautic Form. First, open your Mautic account and sign in. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the main navigation and head to Components. Inside Components, choose Forms. This is where all of your existing forms live and where we'll create a new one. Click New to start a fresh form. Right away, Mautic asks you to pick the form type. Choose Campaign Form if the submissions will feed directly into a campaign for automated journeys. Pick Standalone Form if you only need to collect data or trigger simple actions without attaching it to a campaign. You can switch later, but choosing the right type up front keeps your workflow clean. Give your form a clear descriptive name so you and your team can find it easily. If you use naming conventions, stick to them. Add any form attributes you need, such as categories or CSS classes, to help with organization and styling. Next, define what happens when someone successfully submits. Select your preferred submit action. Many people either show a thank you message or redirect visitors to a confirmation page. If you choose redirect, paste the destination URL. If you choose message, type the confirmation text your audience will see. Add a short description for internal reference. This is helpful when you have lots of forms and need quick context. Move over to the Fields tab. Click Add a new field and select the field type you want, such as text, email, select, or checkbox. Provide a clear label so users know exactly what to enter. If the field should flow into an existing contact property, map it to that field. While you're here, set validation rules, mark fields as required when necessary, and adjust attributes or behavior, like placeholders and default values. When you're satisfied, click Add to insert the field into your form. Repeat for any other fields you need. On the right side of the editor, review availability settings. You can control whether the form is published, limit visibility to certain dates and times, and fine-tune other access options to match your campaign schedule. When everything looks good, click Save and Close to store your changes. If you see another Save and Close option to finalize and exit, click that as well. Your Mautic form is now configured and ready for use in your marketing workflows.